Fanty rushes to rescue.
Maybe there's something in the moon book that will help decipher the prophecy? Oh, here's a similar sign. How did Dreamy do it? Well, if Dreamy deciphered the moon language, then I definitely can. Here. And what will it do now? It's like a donkey, endlessly banging his head against the wall. Huh! That's what I am to you? You called me a donkey? This audacity is unheard of! Really, I'm talking to the book. It's just a book. And I just decoded the moon language incorrectly. That's all. We must try again. Again? Well, this is too much. Okay, then I'll try again later.
I wonder where my moon book is now. Where do things that get swallowed by fear disappear to?
I don't understand. What happened to this cream? It says right here, Pearl Radiance. And I smear and nothing. It doesn't radiate.
Oh. Harry, Fairy, sweetie, that is not a cream, it's toothpaste.
But it's what it says here.
Uh-huh. And the sign on our fridge says Africa, but it's cold inside.
Esty, maybe I might have mixed up the containers. A little bit. A little bit? And what am I brushing my teeth with?
Bon appetit, everyone.
Uh-huh.
And you.
Tertia, how will we celebrate Shimmer Fairies Day?
That's right. Shimmer Fairies Day.
What?
Shimmer Fairies Day, traditions of celebration.
Oh, fairy-tastic. Oh, yes. Let's make a great celebration. I'm making a cake.
And I'll make the fireworks.
I'll make string lights.
I'll make crystals then. Here.
That's wonderful. Everyone will be busy.
No, Fanty, the crystals are grown by the eldest fairy in the house.
Oh, you mean me?
What should I do then for Shimmer Fairy Day? There's nothing left for me to do. And you are the little one. I am not a little one, Esty. I am a big one. I want to do something too.
And you? You, Fanty, will help everyone, right? You help.
Hooray! Hooray! I will help. I will help.
Tertia,
I will
have
help
you forgotten
everyone.
anything? Great. Fanty, please bring me my notepad.
Yes, right now.
We have yet to figure out what to give Fanty as a gift from Shimmer Fairy.
Does she still believe Shimmer Fairy brings gifts?
Oh, yeah.
Fanty is back.
Here.
Fanty, what are you doing? Letty asked for her notepad.
Oh, seems I messed up a little bit.
It's okay, Fanty. A pencil will come in handy too.
Yes, you can draw something with it.
We'll discuss the gift later. Let's meet under the bed at 5.
Why me? Why should I be the one to do this? Interesting.
I flew in to
coming
help
together
everyone.
nicely.
Can I do something
Fanty.
for you? What should I do? I want to participate too.
Okay, I'll give you an assignment. Take a crystal cutter from the kitchen and cut the crystals. Here and here.
Got it. Get a crystal cutter from the kitchen.
Good job. Fly. Meeting under the bed at 5.
Ugh, how can I make it?
Oh, Letty, I'm helping Tertia. Let me help you out too.
Let's do it. Here, take the jar to the refrigerator. This is a cold fire.
Oh, great. I'll take it now. Oh, fancy cookie. Can you crush nuts and berries for a cake? I don't have enough time. You don't have time for what? Oh, nothing. To style my hair. You're going to play your hair? Oh, crystal cutter. What a great string light, Dreamy.
This is to decorate the crystals. Do you want to try?
Of course I want. Oh, how many tasks I have? The main thing is not to confuse anything.
And you come up with a rhyme to remember.
Rhyme? I can do rhymes easily.
Super!
The rhyme will help me not to forget but to inspire. Cut off the crystals, cool off the fire. Pour into fireworks the cooled off fire. Then wrap the crystals beautifully with wire. And chop each nut is a big work required. Booty, I just can't play now. I have so much to do. Crystals, cake, fireworks, all on me. Okay, don't be offended. Let's play. But only for a very, very short time.
So what will you give Fanty?
Or maybe, but no.
And if... No, not this.
And if? No, it's too difficult.
Oh, that's it. That's it. I have to go. I played too long with you, and I have so much to do. Good for me that I learned a memory rhyme. The rhyme will help not to forget, but to inspire. Cut the string lights, cool the fire. Grind the crystals to a crisp is required, and somehow attach the fireworks with wire. Okay, hold on. Hair magic will come in handy for every girl, I think.
How can you compare some hairspray with the magic of numbers, really?
Maybe give her giggles?
Fancy is already cheerful.
What is this?
Oh,
Fancy! The elders have business things to worry about. Everyone is glad I came to their rescue.
Fancy, what are you
I'm
doing?
crunching the crystals. All that remains is only to pour cold fire into the cake. Zap, and it's done. No! It seems that I got a little mixed up. A little bit. What was that?
Cold fire. If you mix it with dough, it explodes. It seems holiday this year did not work out.
Yeah, the moon book is also missing.
And where will Shimmer Fairy leave the presents if there are no crystals?
Oh, it wasn't like that with Granny.
Remember how cool we celebrated last year?
Well, that's it. Nobody gets upset. The day's not over yet. We'll fix it quickly now.
Really?
Can we make it in time?
Believe me. We will. All ready in time.
Hooray! Holiday, holiday, how should we prepare it? Smiles, cakes, and candy, fun that never ends. Holiday, holiday, the sky's the limit. Bringing happiness we treasure. Let this day go on forever. We know nothing can be better than to be with friends. We know nothing can be better than to be with friends. As pretty as in the royal palace.
We only forgot a gift for Fanty.
Oh, look what I found.
Who would it be for?
That's for me. From Shimmer Fairy. She gives gifts to the little ones on her holiday. Are you a little one?
Yes, you are very big.
You said it
A
yourself.
little one. This is definitely for me.
It looks like remembrance magic.
Wow! So that I don't forget anything? Great!
It's time to get presents!
Presents!
Hair magic! How awesome is this, huh?
A set of formulas, the newest.
Terrible screams! So cool!
And for you, Dreamy, I have something else. Here it is. I found it this afternoon. It fell behind the bed.
The moon book!
Wow! These moon letters are very strange. Dreamy, can you really read in the moon language? Read it. What is written here?
It says, this spell must be cast after the prophecy lock is opened.
Oh, wow.
Come on, Dreamy. You are making all this up. What is the prophecy lock?
Time to eat cake!
How's the cake and the fireworks?
Sorry, I think I got confused.
Confused? Confused indeed.
Oh!
I've got to help Dreamy.
Where are you going? Come back!
Fanty, go!
Help me pull it harder! What a messy sight.
What exactly is going on here?
We were trying some wizarding for Kate, Tertia.
This Kate?
Oh no, it's the human girl, Kate.
Oh, the one who lives in this room, Kate?
She's scared to go to her new school, so we're helping her.
It doesn't look like help to me.
It's just Dreamy has spilled her dream by mistake.
No way was it by mistake. Someone made me do it.
What do you mean?
This is what I mean. For September 1st, I decided I wanted to give Kate a good dream for school. If you dream good, your mood is good, right? I gathered all her favorite fairy tale heroes, added some surprise twists here and there, and then some laughter. But as I was putting the dream under her pillow, there appeared those pink balls. Spare 'em, scare 'em. That was all you're doing, Esty.
Why me? I didn't mean it. You know that.
No, they did it themselves.
Who needs those dreams of yours? Girls only need pretty dresses. And I thought if her dress was sparkly, then she wouldn't be afraid to go to a new school anymore. It was a sight for sore eyes, to say the least. But then the sun struck the mirror in the powder case. And boom went all my poor powder. And it was all Letty's fault.
Letty, you say?
Finally, now I can tell you in order what really happened. We decided to help Kate. We didn't agree on what was more important. Dreamy said it was dreams. Esty said it was clothes. But I believe the main thing is knowledge. So I decided to prepare a vitamin cocktail for Kate. I found a very scientific recipe to make thinking active and memory and attention stronger to help perform better in school. So I got all of the ingredients together and had to only gather some sunlight in a jar. That was the last stage. Suddenly, oh, what a mess! Fanty's wild book had to spoil it all. It's all your unscientific nonsense.
It's not nonsense. It was sad.
Sad? What was?
The book. I wanted to get Kate's things ready. Make them all sweet. Let's go. On to school now. Be a faithful tool now. Yep. You poor one. You're so alone. Don't worry. We'll make you happy. Letty, Esty, Dreamy. Let's play dinos.
I don't have time.
That's all right. We'll just have fun without them. No big deal. Hey, what's wrong? The book didn't want to ruin everything on purpose. It just ended up that way.
It always just happens with you. What will become of my cocktail now?
And how about my dress?
And my dream?
There you go again with your nonsense. The knowledge.
No one needs your knowledge.
What do they need then? Your pictures?
That is quite a tornado.
Oh, so what shall I do with this now?
It looks like we're gonna have to check the emo meter.
I wonder, is it due to the dull weather?
Ugh.
Oh no, my wings. They seem to have disappeared.
What did you expect? Magic needs good emotional conditions to work correctly. Do you see what's happened because of it?
Doom and gloom.
Yes, we shouldn't leave it like this. What will happen when the humans come back?
It's not our fault. The barometer has pointed to bad weather since this morning.
Of course it has. The human girl is afraid to go to her new school. This is why it all turned murky, but you...
But we made it even worse. It's all Eddie's fault. She always bosses us around.
In fact, Dreamy is the oldest, and
Oh,
she...
I see.
Yes,
When
yes,
you need
yes.
someone
You have to
responsible,
take
I'm
care
the
of them.
eldest.
No,
but when...
it was all really my fault.
So it was all Fanty's fault, right?
No, it's not true. Fancy asked us for help, and we...
What are we? Some lame trolls here who are out for themselves?
We're not trolls. We're fairies.
We're no fairies. We're trolls.
Dreamy, enough of that. Stop.
All right, time's up. So are you ready to put everything back in place?
Oh, we're ready.
That's great to hear.
Everything is upside down.
We can't self beat from the ground.
It's all in hullabaloo and row.
We're all in each other's way, and we keep making mistakes. But when we stop fighting, we can conquer great heights. Why is this so topsy-turvy now?
But the matter's really easy, and there is a simple law. And it's for a real good reason. They made it up, so we'll follow.
If you want to make it wonderful, you do everything together.
It's a very simple law. Do your palms like for the power, or the numbers on your phone? Perhaps a pedal in a bud? I think not.
If we put our strengths together, we will see success forever. Everything will fall right into place. But the matter's really easy, and there is a simple law. And it's for a real good reason. They made it up, so we'll follow.
If you want to make it wonderful, you do everything together.
It's a very simple law.
It's a really amazing law.
Everything is in its proper place. Lady Clockwork will be very pleased.
Who is she anyway?
Well, you should have asked for that right from the beginning, girls. Don't you think? How come you listen to a clockwork lady, yet you don't even know who I am? My name is Terpsy Hooray Eve Roll Gardinia Siersila. Yes, I am.
No thanks. I don't need it.
How fantastic.
Oh, wow. Tertia?
I don't mean the name. What are you to us?
I will be your new tutoress. I'll be in charge of your education as of today.
Eating?
Yes, eating too. And sweets are only after supper.
Okay, but where's Granny
Yeah,
though?
she was our tutor before.
Granny? Oh no. The humans are coming. Home, quickly, let's go. Starting tomorrow, we'll start our training at 9 sharp.
Now we'll have everything timed by a clock.
Well, that was an unexpected twist. But still, it was a good idea to call myself a teacher.
Tertia, what about a fairy tale? I'm in bed already.
Fairy tales for you as well? Do I even know of any? Yes, Fanty, I'm coming.
Oh, Katie, how did your first day go?
Oh, the teacher complimented me for giving a good answer. And my new uniform is so nice and comfy. I love it. The dinosaur book came in handy for the lesson, too. Everything was just great. I even had a good dream that helped me. The one about horsey corns. Yay!
Everything's in place now. The prophecy has started to come true. The spilled dream, the overfilling sunlight, pink balls, and the book coming alive. But what exactly does this symbol mean?
Evolution of species.
There's no more night breath!
Obviously, bestie. It's not nighttime now.
Nighttime? Oh, Letty, I'm talking about night breath cream! I ran out completely! Here you go,
Will
Fluff
you
and
blow
pollen.
and sing as well?
Come on, you can't say no to your sister!
All right. I'll synthesize the missing components. I'll do it later, in the evening or tomorrow.
Oh, thankies, Letty! I'll come back in half an hour.
Let her listen. I need help. Harry Fairies, I need your immediate help. The projector of dreams is not working. The shutter won't work.
Okay, leave it. I'll check it out.
Well, I need it right now, or the inspiration will then disappear.
Letty, look at the dog I drew. It's great, huh?
Fanty!
Oh, how cute. What are they?
Fanty, don't touch anything, please.
Fine, I'll just go leave then.
These are infusoria. With their help, I want to prove the theory of evolution.
You want to prove what?
How would it be easier to explain to you? According to this theory, simple organisms are constantly changing, adapting to the environment, becoming more complex and more perfect. The aquarium urgently needs to be brought into the light, but I have not completed the thermostat, and this cream is next.
Letty, don't worry about a thing. Do your peristat, and I take Visoria for a walk.
You? Absolutely not. You won't. You are not responsible. Okay. Don't let them out of the aquarium. Don't shake them. Don't drop them. Don't spill water. And bring them back in half an hour.
My little ones, now we take a walk. We'll play, we'll run, we'll jump. Don't be afraid, Fusories. Did you believe I'm not dependable? Well, I'll let you know that, yes. I'm very responsible. I'm into animals. Wow, how I love them. I'm a real animalologist. Oh, what a sweetheart. I want a real cute fluffy puppy pop-up who's licking my face. It's time to wake up. He'll run and fetch sticks and do tricks in the park, and we'll play all day till it's dark. I want a real cute little kitty cat who'll chase after yarn and climb on my back. A kitty that's covered with bright orange fur, and when I pet her, she'll purr. But everyone keeps saying that it's too much work for me. The feeding, rocking, training, cleaning, shedding, and the fleas. I want a real elephant, hippo, or whale. An eagle who rides on a crocodile tail. Or I take a bunny or hamster or mouse running around my house. But everyone keeps saying that it's too much work for me. The feeding, walking, training, cleaning, brushing, washing, worrying, preening. I don't care what they don't get. I want a pet.
You are not dependable.
Fusery, where did the rest run away to? Fuseries! Where are you, Fusery? Fusies! We're back!
Was it a nice walk?
World class. The fusions liked it.
Fancy, what have you done?
Well, how's my cream going, Is it ready? A flask? Did you really put my cream in a simple lab flask? I gave you a pretty little bottle to put it in.
This is a special preserving device that allows the nutrients of the cream to preserve as long as possible. And so then...
I didn't ask you to make canned food for my night breath cream. It was important for me that it was beautifully presented.
Fanty, where do you think you're going?
Well, Letters, did you do some sciencism?
Yes, take it.
What about the picture? It's clear now. Where is my fog?
I shifted the render value.
The render blender. You ruined my whole dream. Very bummer.
Dreamy. I said everything according to science.
Yes, art is not a science for you. It cannot be displayed in numbers.
Fanty, confess. Did you let out the infusoria?
Well, maybe they ran away for a second. Well, but they also want to, play and jump.
Play? These are infusoria. They do not even have conditioned responses. They don't want to play. Where's the fifth?
Well, how do you know what they want, Letty? They're just afraid to tell you, that's why. Look how angry you are right now.
It's you who wants to play all the time. You don't have any idea what dependability is.
But I take better care of them than anyone.
Get out immediately. And you better stop looking at me reproachfully. You are infusoria. You have no feelings. This is not scientific. Well, now everyone feels offended by me. And why? After all, I made the cream and fixed the projector.
Oh, me. I ruined everything for Letty. She raised these fusoria for a year, and I lost them. I'm not dependable. Yes, and I even called her angry. And she is kind. She helps everyone. Fusery! 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 Fusoria! Fusery! Fusery! Oh, look at you! What are you doing here? Are you sad? Everyone forgot about you. But I found you. I just can't take you. Honestly, I can't. Letty is right. I am not dependable. What? You say that I can become dependable? Precisely. I will become dependable. Right now. And you'll help me, right? Booty, where are you going? Booty, you are lost. Fusery Booty, my kids! I finally found you both. Already became friends, huh? How amazing!
Evening workout. How to divide a cake into 8 equal parts by 3 cuts.
I don't need to divide a cake. No one will come to me.
Letty, here's the 5th.
Fanty, you found it! Experimental infusorium number 3. Thank you. I'm sorry I scolded you.
Fusorium's name is Henrietta.
Infusoriums?
Well, yes. Infusorium's name is Henrietta. They don't really like when you call them by numbers, I hope you know.
Who's that? Is that Boot alive?
This Booty, it's my pet. It's awfully smart.
Is it experimental too?
No, just alive.
Oh, what do we have here? Such cuties!
I mean, about the bottle.
Come on, it turned out so good!
And even fairy-tastic.
Fairyum, scarum. Wow, you have a menagerie here.
Dreamy, I'm really sorry I shifted the settings. Let me change everything back.
No. Nothing needs to be changed. Everything turned out so cool there. Now you know small details are visible and the lighting is cool. Thank you, Letter. Everything is super.
The signs of prophecy are unclear. I know that without you. To the trash. That's how much nonsense there's in the fairynet. So the last document, Fairy Calamaceras suggested that the Lost Moon book stores, among other things, a spell that unlocks the lock of the first threshold of prophecy. Let it go! Let it go!
Booty, come here. Shoo! Do not touch.
What is this?
Fanty brought the boot to life.
That won't do it all. There are no pets allowed. Fanty, well, you're too small. And the animal needs to be fed. You need to take them for walks.
Fanty will manage. She is small but very dependable. And we will all help her, right?
The moon book.
Please, 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 pretty please.
Well, I hope you can handle it. After all, I'm handling you.
Dreamy's escape.
I wonder what awaits me today. I hope it's 4. Let it be 4. And what is all this beauty about?
No, you wait. Dreamy, hello. We're going to the movies. Would you come with us?
She can't come with us. She's way too young.
14 years old. Young? Ha! What are you saying?
Fairies under 16 cannot fly without a force field as much as you want it.
This is Digit, my friend. He's a 4, right? Anyway, we'll be with you in an hour and come up with something, okay?
What am I going to wear? What should I wear? Oh, how am I going to fly? Tertia! 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 Tertia!
Well, how can I open you? Oh!
Fairies! Where is she? Tertia!
What's going on up there now?
Tertia! Tertia! Where are you?
What is the matter?
Tertia! Eclair invited me to the movies. Digit said I'm too young to go. Can you somehow make me fly without a force field, huh?
If I don't respond, it's because I'm busy. And yes, you are too young. You can fly without a force field when you turn 16.
But,
And only if you are serious about your studies.
well, whatever, you preacher mean teacher. I guess we're all too young. But I'll fly anyway.
Dreamy, where are you going?
Can I go with you?
No, I'm going with Eclair to the movies.
But Dreamy, we can't fly without a force field yet. You know that.
I know, but that's nonsense. You just really need to want it. Elves can fly since they're 12. I'm 14 already. Anyway, as of today, I'm an elf. Even better.
Dreamy, you're not an elf. You're a fairy.
I just need a flying machine. It's burning. Fresh out of the printer. Just fresh.
Oh, isn't that something? How does it work exactly?
We'll find out now.
What else do we need to know? On the Fairynet, it clearly states a flying module for fairies.
It doesn't seem to fly very much.
Dreamy, but this isn't the whole device. You only managed to print one part of it. You should also have wings and a...
Stop sending messages. Let's just fly.
How boring is this guy? Seriously, we're leaving. Be ready in 20 minutes.
20 minutes? 20 minutes? Letter, you have to think of something. Please do. I really need it.
Okay. No worries. We'll have time for it. Here is the flight module. This controls the wing. All control systems are located under the top panel.
Module? Like the fashion module?
This is cool. that'll do.
Wow, she is flying.
Where's the brakes?
Look, there's a special flat mount. It's only necessary to calculate the tension force.
Hey guys, so I found the brake.
Dreamy, try not to be mad at Digit. He's actually a cool guy. We'll be there in 10 minutes.
Harry Fairies, he's gonna be here in 10 minutes.
Hey, Dreamy, don't panic. We'll build a new module right away.
Thanks, but no thanks. Enough of these kids' construction sets. I think it's time to do some adult magic.
But we're not adults. We're kids.
Dreamy, since when do you know how to make a magic sphere?
Ha! Well, it can't be that difficult, right? I saw Tertia do it 100 times.
Oh, hey, girls. What is it? Is a storm coming?
Dreamy is constructing a fly-tie sphere.
Fairytastic!
Wow, look at that. It's working.
I'm flying. I'm really flying. I'm flying.
Dreamy! Where are you? The ball ate her.
No, Fanty. But the sphere sent her somewhere. It could send her about anywhere, and we wouldn't know where.
Harem, scarum. Where am I? How did I get thrown in here? Ladder, Esty, Fancy, Eclair.
Over the wall, freedom's waiting. Down from the sky, the moon's gazing. I'm not a puppet that lies there, or some puppets here who might gaze me. Wings on my back, full of fire. Blocked by a wall, feeling shattered. Alone, I cry like the moon in the sky. Wings let me out, let me fly. Ow! Fly away, fly away, fly away.
My rose. Eclair gave it to me. Just help. Help me, please. Help! Someone help me! Eclair!
That's her. I heard her voice. Dreamy, I'm flying to you.
She's in the ventilation. We need to go up 2 floors. Here, take the rope.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh no, magic doesn't work here.
But this is real, not magical.
Help me! Help me, someone!
Huh?
He got her. He got her. Let's pull them out now.
Uh-oh, they got loose.
Oh no, they're falling straight down to the propeller. Ah.
Fly away.
Whoa!
Fly away.
Yay! You're a real rescuer.
And you and I are a cool team. So cool you thought of everything.
Well, it was the only logical plan, of course. I wouldn't have been able to fly without you, and you wouldn't have found them without me.
Fairytastic! You are real heroes, especially you.
Thank you. Letty, I have an interesting hypothesis about functionality.
Boring. Another smarty pants. This is the pattern that I saw in my dream today.
We didn't make it to the movies.
Oh, no problem. I'll tell you everything in detail.
Broken dial. Ugh, it's not working. What am I doing here? The mystery is not solved. Children don't obey. Preacher mean teacher. That's what I am. Why didn't I let her go through, though? Maybe out of meanness, indeed. I'll make her a magic sphere. That way at least someone will be fine. Dreamy, I thought that, as an exception, you could fly to the movies today with...
No thanks. I actually already flew enough with Eclair today.
Sorry.
Never mind. It's time for me to go anyway. Oh yes, it's time for me to find the key.